Hello everyone, how you all going today? We're just back here at Ohiwa Harbour. We're going to get some more cockles after the feed we had last week, which they were bloody tasty as with the garlic butter. So we went for a bit of a surf on the beach before, but the beach is so rough. So we come back to the harbour and it's windy. It's not a very nice day at all, not like last week. It was so hot and water was nice. So we're just going to go down and get some cockles, and we're going to do them al natural, just with a bit of steam them open, eat them like that. As you can see, it's a bit windy down here, and last week there were heaps of people swimming here and having a good time. It was really hot, and look at it now, no one. Yay, nearly the whole beach to ourselves. One's empty. Just feeling around. There's a few in here. A lot of little ones. We're going to try and get bigger ones, as big as we can anyway. Stone on there. Got a couple of little ones here, sort of medium-sized ones. There's the ones like I've got before. It's a nice big. That's enough for a feed. You allow 50 per person, so my daughter helped me gather these ones earlier. There's a few in there. We'll check the little one. Who got that little one? Must have been yours. So we'll just grab a few more, but there's enough for a feed anyway. That's all you need. It's good enough for a feed. Don't get too greedy. That's all we're doing, is just feeling around in the sand. Come across some. There's a couple more there, look. See? Easy as to gather. Your kite doesn't get any fresher than that, does it? Okay, easy. That one's full of sand. But that'll do. There we are, look at that. And that, easy as gathering your kai. Fresh, not bought from the shop. You can gather it yourself. That's enough for that. Let's get out of here. This is my camera person, she's pretty good. Oh, I've got a camera on an angle, but you know.
I can't hold it.
Is that better? How's that? Oh. It's really busy over here today. There's a wild food festival over here at Mahi Reserve. Good for wild foods. Look, people everywhere. You fellas eating cockles over there? Cockles? You fellas? Yeah, I thought not. That's a bit mean, isn't it? Oh, just down at the beach here, taking my daughter surf club, and came across some old bits of manuka from yesterday's wild food festival. Nice dry bits of manuka, so I'll take that home. They'll be quite handy in the Weber, or maybe in the fire or something like that, smoking up the old food, so that'll last ages. Oh, cheers everyone, just having a bit of a bourbon here on a Sunday. Happy birthday to me. So yesterday we went out and got some cockles from the harbour, and I was going to cook them up on the barbecue at the Port Ohope jetty. Put $2 in and that barbecue didn't go. It was the same as last time we went there about 2 years ago. Didn't go either, so we rang up and complained it didn't go. And we thought, well, 2 years later it should be alright, and it's not going again. So that's brought my whole afternoon of cooking cockles on the barbecue with a beautiful scenic background. All I did to the cockles was add a bit of water, added a bit of water to the frying pan until it got hot. Added the cockles, covered with a lid, and then steamed them open. We're taking about 2 minutes. Took it off the heat and then added some Tuscan seasoning, which is like Italian flavoured seasoning, and that gave it a great taste. This can steam till they're open, and then a bit of Tuscan seasoning, and very, very nice. One he's enjoying them.
I'll have 2 more and then you can finish them.
Oh, you can eat them. That wasn't that good. 2 more, there's only about 2 more left. Saved one. I'll have 2 more and I'll leave the rest for you. And then we have to do 1. Chicklehead. Go on, look at that. Gone in 5 minutes. Not even that, 3 minutes. There we are. Another tasty feed of cockles. So I'll end this video and I'll show you some of the stuff that happened on the beach today with the big tides. The water coming up pretty high. They were big. See you guys next time. Bye. Whoa. Big tides.